Good morning, Jonathan. I hope you're having a wonderful day and that you are ready to begin working on IEP goals 3 and 4. Okay, Jonathan, so today we're going to do goal number 3, which is math. And we are going to measure length of objects using counters. So we can use paper clips or blocks or a ruler, anything just to help us count. And here, Jonathan, are our counting strategies. So our counting strategies are to count out loud. So we always say our numbers as we are counting out loud. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our next is we touch and count. So I also want you to touch while you are counting out loud. That way you do not get lost. So you would do it like 1, and then you would touch 2, and then you would touch 3, touch 4, and touch 5. Touch and count so you don't get lost. And when you're touching and counting, you're also moving. So you move from here, to the next, to the next, to the next. And you line them up. When they're in a line, it is much easier for us to count. And you count on till it's to the very end, and then you recount if you need to recount. So here, Jonathan, this is the worksheet we're going to be going over. It is called How Long It Is. So get this worksheet out because this is the one we are going to be using. So saca este, Jonathan. Ese es el que vamos a hacer. Bueno, Jonathan, ese es el trabajo que vamos a hacer. This is the worksheet, and it starts with a cotton swab. This is the one we're going to do. And here they're already giving you an example. They're telling you, they did it for you. They already told you how long in inches the cotton swab is. And here, let's see how they did it. And let's use our counting strategies. We would start from 0. And we will go to the next one. 1, move and count and touch. 2, and then 3. And the cotton swab ends right here. This ends right here. The Q-tips ends right here, Jonathan. So that's why here they put 3 inches long. So I'm going to do one with you. I will be doing this one, the one of the straw with you. And you will be doing the rest on your own. So here, Jonathan, we are going to do the same thing. We're going to count, touch, and move. So here it starts at 0. So let's count and move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is where it ends, right here. And what number is this, Jonathan? Yes, 5. So how long in inches is the straw? So right here, we are going to put 5. Because it is 5 inches long. Okay, Jonathan, that's what you're going to be doing for the rest of the objects. Just touch, count, and move. And then when you are at the end, you go down, you check what number it is, and then you write it down over here, letting us know how many inches the objects are. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If not, once you're done with this worksheet, we will continue with goal number 4. Okay, Jonathan, so here we're going to start working on goal number 4. And in goal number 4, what we are going to do is solve addition. So we're going to be solving addition problems between the numbers 5 and 8. So these are some addition strategies. When we are adding, we are joining together. We're going to put everything together. Todo va a ir junto. Cuando estamos haciendo addition, vas a contar todo junto. Y hay muchas maneras en poder usarlo. Digo, hacerlo. Vamos a usar como los estrategias aquí. So here, Jonathan, it says, I can use a 10 frame. So here they have these 3 in blue and these 2 in yellow. But we're doing addition, even though they're 2 different colors, we're going to add them all together. So here it says 3 plus 2 equals 5, because if you count them all together, they are 5. We can also use pictures when we are adding, Jonathan. Or we can use counters like little dots, or buttons, or frijoles, or pedacitos de arroz, anything. We can use anything to count. We also can use our brains to count. We can use number lines to count. And we can use part, whole, which means that this is one part, this is another part, but then we put it all together as a whole. So this is a worksheet we're going to be working on today, Jonathan. It is called Simple Addition y tiene unas pineapples, unas piñas. So busca esta página y sácala del cuaderno porque vamos a trabajar en este. Okay, Jonathan, so here don't forget to write your name and the date. Today is December the 5th. So you can put, let me put it, the date, (12/5/2020). And here it says, count the items in each group and write them below. So we're going to count each item, then write the numbers over here, each item, write them over here, and then count them all together and write the total over here. So let's start with the first one, Jonathan. How many pineapples are there right here? Let's count. 1, 2. So here there are 2 pineapples. And then plus, how many pineapples are here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 pineapples here. And now they want to know the total of all the pineapples. So now we're going to count them. We're going to put all of these together and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 pineapples are in total. So that means that 2 plus 3 equals 5. And that's what you're going to be doing for the rest, for these 2. Jonathan, you're going to work on them on your own. And this is exactly what you're going to do. The same thing we did right here, you're going to do it right here and in the bottom one. If you have any questions or need any help in anything, please let me know. I am here to help. Si ocupas ayuda, nomás avísame, Jonathan, a mí o a Mr. Salinas. Estamos aquí para ayudarte. If you do not need help, well, I hope you have a good rest of your day and that you have a great weekend and you rest and relax. And we will see you here back on Monday. Bye, Jonathan.